engines whisper, trouble on the road. Keep your nerve, he's coming. Dust kicks up on the long red line. Heat warps roads in the dead sunshine. He rides in slow with a steel-eyed grin, chrome like a blade, and trouble in the wind. Heavy and wild, a rebel road creed, raw and untamed style. Hearts turn quicker when the engines wake. No steady soul survives that quake. Rebel motorcycle, carving through the dark. Rebel motorcycle leaves a burning mark. When he rolls, the streets start breathing. Rebel motorcycle, loud and seething. Rebel motorcycle. Steelback slap, echoes jump fast in the outlaw map. He leans in close like a shadow's blade, cutting through the night where the legends fade. Every cold stare knows what he brings, a wild road oath with a bite that stings. No lock gate keeps a beast like that when the storm rides in on a thunderjet track. Feel it rising, bigger, higher, tires spit flame like a runaway fire. When he hits, he bends your frame. No calm stands up to a roaring name. Rebel motorcycle, carving through the dark. Rebel motorcycle leaves a burning mark. When he rolls, the streets start breathing. Rebel motorcycle, wild and seething. Rebel motorcycle. Rebel motorcycle. I stand my ground, the dust turns weak. You feel the heat before I speak. My pulse jumps high, the night unfolds, the engine roars, and the story holds.